Political regimes of different ideological hues come and go in Hyderabad, but if there's one thing that has remained constant in the political landscape of the greater Hyderabad area for the last few years, it is the AIMIM. With us is Asaduddin Owaisi, three-time Lok Sabha MP, leader of the party. Sir, what is the secret of the invincibility of your party in the pockets that you have in this region?
The important thing is we are always accessible in the masses. In the assembly, outside the assembly, we are raising important issues, asking pointed questions from the governments. And this has not been easy. It has been a tough battle, hard work. And our party elders have gone through a lot of tough situations. They have faced hostile governments, gone to courts, went to jail. So it has been a tough journey.
In this particular election, why is it that your party is supporting the TRS, or you have some sort of understanding with them?
See, 8 candidates of my party are contesting. And in those 8 constituencies, even TRS is also our opponent. And outside these 8 assembly constituencies, we have, wherever our political presence is there, we are requesting the people to defeat BJP, to defeat this Praja Kutumi, because number one, it's an opportunistic alliance. And whenever either Telugu Desam or Congress has been in power in the then Andhra Pradesh, we have had very bad experiences. And whether in the form of communal riots or in the form of picking up boys from Hyderabad during TDP was in power and they were languishing and incarcerated in Sabarmati jail of Ahmedabad. And also development of our respective constituencies. Now, in the last 4.5 years, these sort of things have not happened. As you might have read and heard about it, how the minority budget is 2,100 crores. Government of India is giving 3,100 crores. And 70% of that has been used in this financial year. You have those residential schools wherein 50,000 Muslim boys and girls are studying. Nearly 1,500 Muslim boys and girls have availed this overseas scholarship scheme, which is in the form of subsidy. Shadi Mubarak. So this whole thing really tells us that, K. Chandrasekhar Rao definitely deserves another chance.
Your critics would often accuse you of dividing the opposition vote. How do you react to charges like that?
Well, you see, this is clear frustration on their part. They don't want to do their self-introspection. Like for